Best Luxury Convertibles for 2024 BMW 4 Series. Entering the realm of luxury convertibles for 2024, the 2024 BMW 4 Series convertible stands tall as a beacon of sophistication, performance, and innovation. Building upon BMW's legacy of crafting dynamic and elegant vehicles, the latest 4 Series convertible elevates the open-air driving experience to new heights. Under the hood, the 2024 BMW 4 Series convertible offers a range of potent engine options designed to cater to various driving preferences. The base model, the 430i convertible, features a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even more power, the M440i xDrive convertible boasts a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine delivering an impressive 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts. Performance is at the core of the 2024 BMW 4 Series convertible's appeal. Its sport-tuned suspension, precise steering, and rear-wheel drive architecture deliver dynamic handling and agility. The available xDrive all-wheel drive system, standard on the M440i xDrive variant, enhances traction and stability, providing confidence-inspiring performance in various driving conditions. Whether navigating twisty mountain roads or cruising along the coast, the 4 Series convertible offers a perfect balance of comfort and sportiness. Design-wise, the 2024 BMW 4 Series convertible exudes elegance and athleticism. Its sleek lines, sculpted bodywork, and iconic kidney grille make a bold statement on the road. The retractable hardtop can be raised or lowered in just 18 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, allowing for seamless transitions between enclosed comfort and open-air freedom. Inside, the cabin is a testament to luxury and craftsmanship, with premium materials, intuitive controls, and advanced technology. The available neck-warming air vents and heated front seats ensure comfort during top-down drives, while the customizable ambient lighting sets the mood for any journey. Technology and connectivity are seamlessly integrated into the 2024 BMW 4 Series convertible. The BMW iDrive 7 infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display and natural voice recognition, provides intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The available Harman Kardon surround sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, while advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking enhance safety and peace of mind. Competing in the luxury convertible segment, the 2024 BMW 4 Series convertible faces rivals such as the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Cabriolet, Audi A5 Cabriolet, and Lexus LC convertible. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class offers a blend of elegance and performance, the Audi A5 combines sophistication with sportiness, and the Lexus LC boasts striking design and refined comfort. In conclusion, the 2024 BMW 4 Series convertible stands out as a top choice in the luxury convertible market, offering a perfect fusion of performance, style, and technology. Whether for spirited drives or relaxed cruises, the 4 Series convertible delivers an unmatched open-air driving experience, reaffirming BMW's commitment to driving pleasure and innovation.